very happy to have won both the gold medals for India. It's a wonderful experience to be crowned the champion, and I'm extremely happy to have won it 2 times in a row. It was a 9 round Swiss system tournament. A total of 898 players from 16 countries had participated in the event across all categories, out of which 135 players from 10 countries played in the under 10 category. Indian players were the largest in number. I had to fight 6 players from India, 2 from Iran, and 1 from Kazakhstan. My 8th round game against El Sultan Kalyapne of Kazakhstan was probably the toughest. Both were tough and the game was equal even towards the end. Finally, both came under time pressure, and in time pressure, my opponent didn't play a perfect endgame. He played a wrong move, and then I could convert the game in my favor. The next major tournament will be the Asian Youth Chess Championship in the month of October. And then there is the World Cup Super Finals tournament in December, for which I won a direct entry because of my podium finish at World Cup Finals. I am thankful to God for giving me such a good success in chess. I am very thankful to my coach, Prakash Vikram Singh, who has taken a lot of effort in coaching me and bringing me to this level. I am also grateful to my school, the King's School, especially to the director, Madam Lija Pereira, and chairman, Navin Pereira, for their support always. They have even sponsored my school fees. Many thanks to Goa Chess Association and All India Chess Federation for giving chess players the platform. And I am also thankful to my brother, Edric. And last but not the least, I owe it to my parents who have sacrificed a lot of time and money and taken so much trouble to give me all the exposure. It's a team effort and it wouldn't have been possible without everybody's support. My message to budding chess players would be to work hard and practice a lot, and more importantly, enjoy the game. You will lose sometimes, but you should never give up. Just learn from your mistakes and keep improving. Success will come automatically with the hard work and dedication.